London is known for its festive Christmas decorations. Iconic locations like Oxford Street, Regent Street, and Covent Garden are adorned with dazzling lights and elaborate displays. Christmas markets, such as Winter Wonderland in Hyde Park, add to the festive atmosphere. Visit Trafalgar Square to see the Christmas tree, a gift from Norway. The South Bank Centre and Somerset House often host winter-themed events. Don't miss the enchanting window displays at famous department stores like Harrods and Selfridges. Take a stroll along the Thames to enjoy the city's illuminated landmarks, including the London Eye. Additionally, explore local neighborhoods like Notting Hill and Chelsea, where charming streets get a festive makeover. Take a stroll through the magical atmosphere of Greenwich Market, known for its artisanal crafts and festive treats. The Covent Garden Piazza hosts street performers and is adorned with beautiful decorations. If you're interested in a unique experience, consider a festive-themed afternoon tea at one of the city's elegant hotels. Some historic houses, like consider attending a Christmas Carol concert at St. Paul's Cathedral or Westminster Abbey for a memorable festive experience. Explore the Kew Gardens Winter Trail, where the gardens are beautifully lit. The Natural History Museum's ice rink and the Christmas lights at Carnaby Street are also popular attractions. Check out local pubs for cozy atmospheres and traditional seasonal decorations. London's diverse neighborhoods offer unique displays, so wandering through areas like Shoreditch or Camden can unveil hidden gems.